y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea, and today I am doing a Power Hour clean with me. I am very excited about this video because it is in collaboration with Susy B here on YouTube. She has some amazing content over on her channel. She does cleaning videos, she has Christmas decor hauls, all sorts of things. I very much enjoy her channel, and I really think you all will too. She is going to be doing a Power Hour over on her channel as well, so I'll have that video and her channel linked down below. So after you guys watch this video, make sure you head over to her channel and like her video and subscribe. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the Power Hour clean with me.
Have this feeling.
Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of what we're working with today. I have been decluttering and organizing and rearranging everything in this house. John and I actually got some new living room furniture, and we haven't yet gotten rid of the furniture that we did have. So those two couches, the shelving units in that corner, and this recliner I'm about to show you, as well as the gray chair that you see in front of our living room door. All of those things will be going to my mom this weekend, but we haven't taken them to her yet, obviously, because she lives 4 hours south of here. So when we go down there this weekend, we're going to take those. But in the meantime, I had to figure out how to arrange them in our house currently and put them somewhere. This is actually our new furniture. I'm in love with it. All of those chairs recline. It's amazing. I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour, and I am starting in my living room.
You go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. Only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
I have 17 minutes and 45 seconds left. So I think I'm going to try to finish cleaning that up, do the dishes, and maybe mom in here. Maybe. I don't know. This has been my tripod.
What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone.
Alright guys, timer went off and it is 5:29. Alright guys, that concludes this power hour. I was able to get everything done that I wanted to complete with a few minutes to spare. If you all are coming over from Susy's channel, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it, I would love to have you subscribe to stick around. I hope you all are having a beautifully blessed evening, morning, noon, night, no matter what time it is, wherever you're when you're watching this. I hope it's blessed, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.